welcome back to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for today's video. So here I am in my living room again. However, I have added a pop of color to the space. If you are new to the channel, yes, I love pops of color. I just recently did a video and I did not have a drop of color in here. Everything was neutral. Now, don't get me wrong, I love neutral colors, especially grays and silver tones. Now, I recently changed my living room couch or sofa to this cream beige color sofa, and I am loving it. More so, I love this pop of color that I've added to the space. So let's get on to the things that I've added since the last video. So let's start with a heart-shaped pillow since it's Valentine's season. Valentine's will be here and gone next week, guys. Today is February, 4th or 5th or something. Next Friday is the 14th, and before you know it, we'll be in March. So this beautiful pillow here actually is a Home Goods find. No, it's actually a Marshall's find. I didn't find it from Home Goods. It actually came from Marshall's, and I actually wanted two, but I was not able to find a second one. So I'm happy that I was able to find this super cute and, of course, glamorous heart-shaped pillow. So I also added this fuchsia throw. I've had this throw for maybe a couple of years, and it's actually from Home Goods as well. So in my last video, I had some wall art in between my windows. So since then, I've added these mirror plaques. Now, I had these plaques for about a year, and I purchased them from Ross. And I also changed out the florals and the vase here. I have some, these are actually gray and gold here. If you notice, it has some little pops of gold inside these particular. Are these magnolias? Comment down below and let me know what these are. But you can see there's some gold in here, and they also have some gold in the little seeds here. Yes. And the vase is actually from Z Gallery. So the next different item that I have is the pillow. This pillow is an On Cloud 9 pillow, and I've had it for a few years. Now, panning on around, the next updated item that I have is this lantern. This lantern, my husband bought this lantern because I was whining saying I wanted an outdoor lantern for my outdoor space. I actually can show you. I wanted to put it right in that empty space on the side of that big circle flower pot there. But I did not want to put this one outside because, first of all, there's no timer on it, and it's really cute, and it's not metal. Now, if it was metal, then I would put it outside, and if it had, you know, a 6 hour on, 6 hour off. But I decided, I'm like, hubby, I'm going to use this on the inside, and I'll find another one to use on the outside. But this one also came from At Home, and it's battery operated, and it has the 3 warm yellow candles on the inside. So panning on around on this side of the room, I have some floor candle holders. These are also from At Home. Love them. If you can get your hands on some of these, I strongly urge you to get them ASAP. I suggested to someone that you can order them. If you have an At Home in your area, you can order them online, and then you can pick them up in the store. But if you do decide to order them online, use my link down below. That way I'll get the commission for your purchase, and then you can go inside the store and pick them up. And then they also have these little pillar, whatever they call them, candles here, also from At Home. These are like $5.99. I'll place a link down below for these as well, because if you do get these candle holders, you'll also want to get the candle to fit in there as well. Now, what did I add over here? I changed out the wall art. Yes, this wall art is also from At Home. When I saw this wall art, it was a must-have. Even though it doesn't have any gold in it, I wanted something with gold in it. The colors are so modern, so fancy, and so elegant. So I grabbed it and I'm like, you know what? I can throw some gold in there. And the color here is kind of like a dark, it's like a taupish, dark, creamish looking color. Then it has the black and the white. I really, and then it's glass here, and then it's trimmed with the silver and black, and it was so pretty in that store, and it's even so much prettier on my wall at home. And so I also added a pop of color here. These are from Michaels. The little plants are from Michaels. I've had them for a couple of years. And guys, guess where these little flower pots came from? These are from Shein. Shein, you have to be careful with Shein, but sometimes they have the cutest items. Now, this is a medium and small, and these are flower pots. These are flower pots, and they also have a larger one, which I didn't get the large. I may log on and order the large just so I can have a set of 3, but they are gorgeous. And then this is a lamp here. I think I may have had this on this table in the previous video. Now, I also added these funny looking candle holders here. I've had these for a few years, maybe 4 or 5 years, but these are from CB2. They're no longer available. They're like some brass candle holders. I'm not a fan of brass because they're so hard to keep, you know, shiny. And these books you saw, no, you didn't see these books. These books are from Amazon. And they are super cute. They're not real books. Now this is this is cardboard that you have to shape and put together, but they are so pretty. I love them. And if I haven't said, my entryway table is from Wayfair, and I will link that as well. Let's talk about what I've added to the coffee table for this pop of color video. So I've added a candle as well, and then I added a set of candle holders here. It's really not a set. I actually ended up picking up this $9.99 from Home Goods and $12.99 from Home Goods. Now, I did see a set of 3 from Amazon, and I'll link them down below. And then I added some ribbon here just to add an extra pop of color because I'm extra. So, and the vases. These vases are from Home Goods, and I've had them for a few years. So, panning on around this way, I added this fuchsia Pampas grass, which is from either Michaels or Hobby Lobby. And I added another floor vase here, which is also from At Home. I will link it down below. And I added some more beautiful fuchsia luminary candles here. And I'll link these as well. They come in red, white, and pink. I think the red may be sold out, but the pink is still available. My area rugs are from Amazon, and I think they are available, and my runner is also from Amazon. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.